Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Tusk front center accent and turn light on your Polaris RZR Pro XP, the Pro R and the Turbo R. Now with this, if you're just trying to get an accent light on there, or if you have an accent light and you want integrated turn signals, this is a great way to do it. It's a simple install. It should only take a few minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you just want to remove the grill. You've got two tabs at the top, pull it back. Next, if you currently have an accent light, you're going to want to disconnect your electrical connector. On ours, since we just have a trim piece, we're just going to leave that alone right now. Now on the back of your trim piece or your accent light, you're going to have 4 nuts on the prongs that stick through. So I'm using an 11mm wrench to remove those. And with the trim piece, this is actually hooked on to that. So I'm going to remove the electrical connector now. Now since we have the trim piece, our wires for the accent light are going through this cutout on the passenger side of the vehicle. I'm going to pull those out. I'm going to just route those over one square. And then before I plug everything in, I just want to talk about these turn signal wires. So the yellow wire, that's going to be for the left turn signal if you're sitting inside of the machine, and the green one is going to be for the right. Now with these, we are going to be using a Tusk signal and horn kit. We're doing a separate video on that. But if you have an aftermarket signal kit, what you're going to do is just use the bullet connectors to connect into these, and then it uses the ground wire from this connector. So it's really that simple. These wires are going to go through this right side cutout or passenger side cutout. So I'm going to start getting those routed, and then you can plug this in after we have those nuts reinstalled, but I'm going to plug it in now. It's going to be a little easier for me. You heard that clip. So we are on all the way. I'm going to finish pushing this through, making sure all the tabs in the back are lined up. Now that I'm pressed all the way in, I'm going to reinstall those nuts. Now, if you're not using the integrated turn signals, you're going to want to zip tie these 2 wires out of the way. But again, we will be doing a separate video on the signal and horn kit. So we're just leaving them there, and I'm going to reinstall my grill. Next, you want to turn your key on and make sure the accent light turns on. So we're looking good. That's all there is to installing the Tusk front center accent and turn light on your Polaris RZR Pro XP, the Pro R and the Turbo R. If you need one of these, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. If you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our signal and horn kit. Now with that being said, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATVMC. We'll catch you next time.